So, going to Grand Bend, beautiful Grand Bend. And I'm wearing all black in an attempt to hide my fat ass. Yes. But I'm going to get as much video of this as possible. So I guess you can say this is part one. Frank, handsome Frank, and beautiful Sam leaves the apartment. Bum, bum, bum. Earthquake. All right. Peace, fuckers. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. It's handsome Frank. We are going to motherfucking Grand Bend. Okay. And you might hear some conversations here and there.
Oh, no.
So this is, beautiful Sam's having a hard time. So what are we doing today, Sam?
We're going to Grand Bend, like you already said.
To do what, though?
Go to the beach.
And then?
Hang out with everybody else.
But what was the purpose of this?
Jordan's birthday.
And what are we doing for Jordan's birthday?
We're going sea-doing.
Sea-doing. You could have said that from the beginning. Anyway, this is my betrothed, but not really, because we're not yet to be married. Say hi, Sam.
Hi.
Hi. All right. Fuckers, we'll probably be back. Or we'll just be in the back seat, humping. Let's get the fucking show on the road. So you want to go where?
Shoppers and then food.
You want to go shoppers and then food. You know what they say. You can't go in the water an hour after eating.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
That's bullshit. Okay. So the food bit's okay. Just got to watch out for sharks.
Yeah, okay. There's a shark in fresh water that it can eat me.
Do you not know about bull sharks? Bull sharks can actually swim in fresh water.
Good for them. They can fucking eat me then.
Oh my god. You have a fucking mouth on you, man. You know, if there wasn't a camera in this vicinity, I'd probably slap the shit out of you right now.
I'm surprised you haven't. Anyways.
Hey, don't say that about me. I wouldn't slap you. You know that.
Oh, no.
She knows that.
Without the threats you give me?
Oh, really? Oh, that's nice. Make the fucking 10 people that listen to this shit make me think I'm a fucking woman abuser.
Well, if that's the case.
I mean, the only
I thought
threats...
you had 19?
No, well, no, we have 24 subscribers. Yeah, we're moving up in the world. We're moving up to the east side. If you remember that old show, you don't, because you're 10 years younger than me. You got that? 10 years! Ha ha ha! Yeah, I like them young. I like to be able to discipline. So, Sammy, you're going to review some wrestling with me, right?
Yes, I am just so excited about it.
Speak up, girl.
I am just so excited for it.
You should be. You like wrestling. She says, The only person she has any passion for is Roman Reigns.
Who the fuck do you think you're talking to?
When I didn't say good passion.
Okay.
You hate him. You hate him.
It's a strong hate.
You hate him with passion.
Oh, you're fucking right, I do. He is the most useless person ever.
Can you hear the country girl in her?
Oh,
you're fucking right, I hate him. Yeah, if you didn't think that Canadian accent existed, here's proof of it. The country girl from Southwest Ontario. Oh yeah, I fucking hate him. He's a fucking hoser. I agree, he's a hoser.
Whoever thinks that a fucking speeder is a good ending has got to be the stupidest person in the world.
Well, that's Vince McMahon.
Where are you going?
Oh yeah, I went the wrong way.
Yes, you did.
I was having so much fun talking to you. That never happens.
Wow. Asshole.
I know. Isn't it funny though? Your mom just fucking loves me too. And she doesn't understand how much of an asshole I am.
Yes.
No, I'm kidding. Marianne loves me because I'm a great guy. And you love me because I'm a great guy.
Are you though?
Am I?
I don't know.
You know,
Find out later. later on the life and times of Sam and Frank.
I hear rumors that I'm the best thing that's ever happened to you.
Do you? Did
Yes.
a little bird tell you that?
Yes.
Oh.
So if that little bird said it, it can't be a lie.
Oh.
Yeah. So how was work this week, Sammy? Bo Bammy?
Like my construction work or my barn work?
Yeah, so I want to explain something to the people on YouTube. My
Okay.
girlfriend, Sam, she is a carpenter. She builds houses for the most part. And she also grew up on the farm, so she loves to ride horses. That's why she's with me now. Now, don't slap me.
I'm gonna slap you.
Anyhow, she took a part-time job on the weekend to work with horses. Now, this is only from 7 until 11:30ish. Now, huh?
Until we move there.
Okay, I'm getting there.
Okay.
So then, from there, the owner of the house, because we're trying to move, we want to get the fuck out of our neighborhood because it's very trendy.
London is so stupid.
It's stupid. I mean, I walked down the street 3 weeks ago in scalding heat, and I saw 3 dudes wearing a fucking toque on his head, or like a full beanie, as you Americans would say. And it's like, look, man, I know you want to look cool, but fuck, it's hot. And if you're willing to put up with that much uncomfortability just to look cool, I got to get the fuck out of this neighborhood. So we're planning on moving, and her boss says, hey, you looking for a place? I have a pretty large size apartment, which is actually 2.5 times size where we live now, on the farm, but far away enough from the barn where you don't smell the horses or anything. That was number one for me. And it's all-inclusive, and it's hardly any more expensive than what we're paying. The good news is your boy will be baling hay, so that should be fun. But Sam, she's going to be doing a lot of work because she loves it. I warn her against it. She says, no, I love the horses. I love the horses. I love them. And she's had 1 day off in 3 months. So,
I'll just run
yeah, you run in. Hurry up. I'll talk to these people.
in. Alrighty, you have fun with that.
And I'm going to put my 4-ways on so some fucking stupid Shoppers Drug Mart dick doesn't come out and say, you can't park there! You can't park there! I hope this isn't coming off too loud because the phone is really far away from me. Anyway, so we're moving to this place. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But a big part of the deal is whatever barn work that's done goes towards the rent. So essentially, the rent is free, right? So it's a good chance to save some money to buy a house, right? And it lets her do what she loves. And the crazy thing is, I say to her, dude, you're gonna hit a brick wall. And she doesn't care. It's what she wants. I asked her, do you really want to move to this place? And she said, yeah, I really want to move to this place. So it was all her decision, and who am I? I support her in her decision. Plus, she does side work for the boss, so she'll work fucking, her 8 to 5 shift with her boss building houses, and then the owner of the farm will need work done, say on jumps or on new horse lockers and shit like that, or sheds, right? So she'll go there and she'll build shit for them there, and before you know it, she gets home at 10 o'clock just to go back to sleep to do it again. And I wonder, do you like this? Do you feel that maybe you're overdoing it a bit? And she said no. How can I argue with that? I can't force Can't force the bitch, right? Now, never in the comments say I said that I called her a bitch, because I don't need a headache. So it seems that the heat on the dashboard is making this camera fucking just die on us. So we're gonna pick this up back at the beach, let it get a nice charge. But what I was saying was, LAX, great tag team. There's a bidding war for them, and you have to imagine they're thinking, do I take the company's offer that is shitting on all of the tag teams, or do I go to the company that may be offering me a little less money, a little less term, but a lot less work and more room to grow as superstars? So I think if AEW were smart, they would definitely be going for LAX. What do you think, babe?
Sure.
Come on, give me better than that.
Well, I don't know if I've ever...
You haven't heard of them. Just say,
Okay,
that's
well, then
amazing, Frank.
That's amazing, Frank.
Oh my God, you need some more enthusiasm. We're gonna have to pull over and slap some enthusiasm in you.
Yeah, good luck on that one.
So, listen, boys and gals. Yes, I just assumed your gender. We're gonna stop this and pick up when we get to the beach. Hey, love you guys. Say bye, Sam.
Bye.
Still waiting for these so-called friends to show up. Well, they're Sam's friends, and I'm just here to enjoy the ride. Alrighty, let's see what we got going on. Hey, Mike, these glasses, they're fucking awesome. And if you don't like them, you can go fuck yourself. You fucking leprechaun. Ugh. And here we are, beautiful Grand Bend. Grand Bend. Well, it's a parking lot. Not bad, $10 to park. But, yeah, we gotta go meet up with some people. Keep you posted, motherfuckers. Let's just do one for the road, shall we? Fuck you, Summer. Fuck you. Fuck you, Summer. I hate the heat. And I'm Italian. That's weird, right? Think so. Anyway. Yeah. We'll see how this beach looks. I'm sure it'll be great. Lots of thong bikinis, lots of guys in banana hammocks, you know, for the ladies, the thong bikinis for the men. But I can't wait, cannot wait until I get into that goddamn jet Sea-Doo. Well, this is Grand Bend. All the cars. All the shops, all the super muscly men, and my girlfriend walking ahead of me. She knows I have a bad knee. That's her way of outrunning me and when she doesn't want to be around me. Well, we're on our way to meet some friends. So we will continue this in a little bit. It's what you call the snap. Ah, Grand Bend. Land of douchebags and traffic. Let's see, what do we got? Is it that bad over there? Is that bad over there? Nah. Hey, are you guys enjoying Grand Bend? Yeah? Good, good. Ah, maybe on the way back, brother. Hello, madam. Are you enjoying Grand Bend?
Very much so.
All the festivities? All the cars?
Halifax.
Are you from Halifax?
Yes.
Yeah? Wow, this must be much different than Halifax, huh?
It's nice
Good.
and warm.
Well, I'm glad you're enjoying it. Nice and warm, you mean this humidity. Have a good day. Ha! Yeah, my girlfriend walked by because she got tired of me talking to strangers. Well, you know what? That's how you make friends. And that was a very nice woman from Halifax. And for you, those of you that don't really know Canadian geography, that is on the East Coast. It's a very nice place. Haven't been there, but I've heard good things. Ooh, Sapporo. Love it. Love it. Let's see. They got some bikers over here. Yeah, they think they're tough guys. But we all know they're just afternoon biker dads. Let's see. Oh, there was a girl with blue hair. I wonder, was she with Hillary? Probably. Oh, what is this? Huh. Okay, it's a henna tattoo place. Sweet. Ladies, are you enjoying the beach tonight? Today? Yes, no, maybe? Good enough. No. And there she be. There she be. The water. What lake are we at? Lake Erie. Hey, girls, what lake is that? Erie? Erie? Okay, thanks, guys. There she be. Lake Erie. We'll be down there soon. Come on, come on. Yeah, good job. Yeah, he revved that engine, spun those tires a bit. You know he has a little dick, right? Well, finally found our friends. Here's some of them. I don't know how camera shy these guys are, but we found out that we were waiting at the wrong spot. Now we have to go down to the pier to register for the Sea-Doos. This motherfucker here, tall man, tall motherfucker. All right, let's cross the road. Look at this place. It's like Sodom and Gomorrah. Only a little more fun, if you know what I mean. Oop. Oh God, did you see that guy's body? I mean, I'm not one to body shame, but Jesus Christ. Here we are. There's the beautiful water of Lake Erie. And the beautiful women of Grand Bend. And the beautiful cars of Grand Bend. They really, man, when I was a kid coming here, none of this shit was here. It's a boat in the middle. Oh, yeah. Staying back so that way I can record without, you know, bothering anyone. Follow these guys. Hey, you guys having fun today? Yeah. Yeah? Good stuff. Ah, it's a good mom taking her boy to Grand Bend. Sam's getting mad at me for talking to strangers. I say, fuck that. So, if the camera cuts, it's usually because my arm starts to get tired. And because we're in a fucking driveway, all right? Nothing interesting about a goddamn driveway, unless it's a nudist colony. Oh wait, here's a Mexican in a cowboy hat. Hey sir, are you having fun at Grand Bend today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can I get a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Good job, thanks bud. At least I got one, right? He looked like he was having a blast just getting out of his fucking car. Oh, look at that. Oh, boys. Jesus. I love this place. It reminds me of how much money I'll never have. Alrighty. Well, we'll touch back with you in a little bit. So it seems the first real stop is, I don't know, the Grinning Gator, or so it's called. The fuckers at the Fuckers at the Sea-Doo place tell us we have to wait until 4:15. That's about an hour and a half away. Hey, you guys having fun in Grand Bend today?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah? Oh, good. Good to hear. You guys having fun today? Yeah? Awesome. Everything. Everything. So let's take a look. Look at this piece of shit postmodern building. God damn. Come some happy customers from the beach. Damn right. I'm stranded. I'm smoking a cigarette all by myself. But that's okay. What's back here? Grand Bend. There's so many mysteries here. They should make a Netflix movie about all the vampires stealing people in the middle of the night, you know? Oh wait, they already made that movie. It was called The Lost Boys. If only Kiefer Sutherland was a young man again, then we could make Lost Boys Part 2. Ooh, look at this ride. Let's get a better look at this ride. Let's get a better look at this ride. Oh, damn. Rev it, baby, rev it. Oh, look at this beauty. Very nice. Look at those fucking rims. God damn. It's the prettiest lady on the beach. Look at you, you double fisting hoe bag. I love you. No, come on, do better than that. Come on, chug it. That's the girl I love. This time. Oh, what a pussy. My God, she's a pussy. So? You know it's on the radio. It's fucking Rocky IV montage music. East versus West. I wish they'd play it louder. Maybe we can get into a fight. You know. Rocky's the type of movie that really gets your adrenaline rushing, you know? You're looking for a Russian, a black guy, a white guy. It doesn't matter. He doesn't care. He beats everybody up. So who's excited for Sea-Doos?
So, buddy, you excited for Sea-Doo tonight? And my mom looks at it and I look at it and like...
Megan, you're not excited? No, you're not even going on one.
You need to let us know.
Huh? You're not even going on one. What a pussy. Yeah. Well, it seems that the four gentlemen are going to be going on, and this little lady here, who, as I said before, has great tits. Yeah. And if you don't look at that. That is an X-Wing tattoo. Hey, stand up. Show us your, show me your tattoo. Can you do it? You're a douchebag. What a douche. And she says she loves me. Look at this bar. Not bad. It's a nice looking bar. Fuck, I haven't been in Grand Bend in probably 10 years. Oh man. 15 minutes until takeoff. We'll see what happens. We all had a few drinks, and they're not supposed to drink, but I think we can fool them. Hey, Sammy, think we can fool them?
Probably.
Yeah? Hey, look at me. Smile for the camera. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. There's that cute little ass.
Oh shit.
Yeah. And here we are. Here we are. Now we got the ID for our friend Chris here, and everything's gonna be good.
Oh, I need my.
Let's get your.
Here we are, Sea-Doo rental on what appears to be a little lake that goes out into, or I should say a little river that goes out into the lake. That beautiful lake. Well, let's get registered and we'll check it out from there. And look at these steps. Yeah, nice steps. I think their policy is break your leg before you can register and we'll keep your money. Well, here we are waiting at the fucking Sea-Doo's place. There's Sam, her bestie, Megan, and her boyfriend. They don't like to talk, and it's fine. Big boy over here doesn't want his head in it, and that's fine. And there's Gabby. She set everything up. Nice friend. Anyway, this should be the fucking thrill of our goddamn lives. I wonder how far out into the lake we can actually go. Well, I guess we'll soon find out. God, you got great tits, Sam. This is what I have to fill out to ride a Sea-Doo. Huh. Okay. Well, me and Sam are going on twice. And I got called over to another table. What's up, gentlemen? How's it going? Left the shade. Smart. All right. Let's get this done. Say hi to the camera. Oh no.
That would mean that you are also.
So this is the river where you take off from and you go out. These assholes are on a boat. These assholes also rent Sea-Doos. See what this guy's gonna do. Come on, man, spin it around. Pussy. Look at this area. What a beautiful area, huh? It's fucking boring.
It's a video. Woohoo! If she doesn't come back, neither do you. Okay, Mom. It's like my mommy every time. You know. Okay, so we've lost you. You're somewhere out there.
There?
I don't know how you're
No, that's
expecting.
one.
I think.
Oh, they're
that's-
right there.
Oh, there you are.
You're right there.
There you are.
1, 2, right there. And you stop.
We can't actually zoom in on you. You guys.
We lost you.
Sorry. But it's Saturday. It's beautiful.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining. Okay, are we gonna go there? Okay, there you are. Jordan's. Look at him go. Oh, you can hear Sammy screaming. Frank's. Look at you guys go. Whee!
Technology.
Holy. Can I zoom in more? No, that's it.
Oh my god.
Look at him go. You wanted to ride.
Well, we're just back from fucking sea-dooing, and holy fuck, I'm a goddamn pro. Sam was on the back screaming like a maniac, but hey, you know that old saying, where there's a will, there's a way. And I willed her to shut the fuck up while I did my thing. So, had a blast, man. Had a blast. Now we're going back to get our towels and shit. We're gonna go lay on the beach. But I think the most important part of this video was the sea-dooing. Sammy, come here. Get in here. So,
Destiny.
Sammy, what did you think of the Sea Dune?
It was so fucking fun.
Yeah?
Definitely worth doing.
Was Handsome Frank a great driver?
Eh.
Be honest.
Eh.
She's lying.
No,
She's lying for the camera.
he likes to turn sharply, and that doesn't go well when
Yeah.
you're trying to hold on.
Well, if she wasn't such a pussy and rode her own machine, we wouldn't have been having this problem. But anyway, I guess that is it for the trip to Grand Bend. I mean, we're going to the beach, so maybe I'll take some video of some scantily clad women in thong bikinis and men in banana hammocks. Who knows? Maybe not. But remember, like the video, subscribe to the video, and what's the other one? Ring that motherfucking bell, plus share that shit. This is your half inebriated buddy, Handsome Frank, signing off. Finally at the beach. Finally at the beach after all that sea doing. But look at these clouds. Huh? Shit. That's okay. So, I am officially signing off. And I would say, if you enjoyed this video, to like, sub, and ring that bell and share the motherfucking video. Alright, motherfuckers. Have a good Saturday, because I certainly am. Peace out! So, closing off, we had a fucking great time, right, babe?
Oh yeah, so fun.
Yeah? How was the sea doing?
It was amazing.
Yeah? Did you love riding on the back of me?
Yes, I did.
Yeah? Was I a little too crazy for you?
Yes.
Okay. Well, it started to pour rain. You can probably hear it. So, hey, I've probably said this a couple of times thinking that this would be the end of the video, but like, subscribe, ring the bell, share the video, and hey, Handsome Frank and Gorgeous Sam, we out!